Oh, look at those. Lovely, lovely chicken spring rolls. Yeah, fabulous. Do you want one? Yeah, make your own. So we're gonna make some chicken spring rolls today. They're absolutely delicious. They do take a little while to make. I'm gonna show you how to make the filling, of course, and we're gonna go through the process of rolling them. So you can do that really simply. Little dipping sauce there. I'll talk to you about that at the end. Welcome back to How to Cook Ready. So we're gonna start off by preparing our chicken. Now, I've got some chicken breast there, no skin, no bone, which I've chopped up, fairly small. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get all of this into my food processor and kind of grind it up. If you want, you can start off with, already ground or minced chicken. We've got onion there, about a cup and a half, 5 cloves of garlic, teaspoon each of salt and pepper. So that's gonna go in the food processor, gonna mix that up. So I've got my food processor here with that, that kind of blade on it. We're gonna drop in the chicken, the onion, the salt and the pepper, and the crushed garlic. Lid on. It's probably gonna go for 60 to 90 seconds. And there you go, that's nicely minced. So our ground chicken is done with the onion, salt, pepper, and garlic. Let's take a look at some other ingredients. So you can see our chicken mix there. 1 cup of carrot, I've grated that, or you can cut it really, really small. About 2 tablespoons of celery, 2 tablespoons of spring onions or green onions, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Let's go. So I've got a pan here. In there, I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today. You can change that to whatever you want. The heat's on above medium. We're gonna get our chicken mix. And we're gonna fry this around just for about 4 minutes or so. Okay, so we just give the chicken a little head start there. We're now gonna add in that celery. Again, really nice and small, everything, guys. Then we're gonna add the carrot. And the green onions. And again, another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, wonderful stuff. Off goes the heat. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce at the end. If you want, you could add some fish sauce into this, or maybe some chili if you want them spicy. But that's it, beautiful. We've got a lovely chicken filling. Of course, no need for salt and pepper because we did add that when we ground the meat. Okay, there's our filling. Let's move on, look at some wrappers. Okay, now. So unless you've got super skills and loads of time on your hand, go and get yourself some of these. You can buy them in most Asian stores or most supermarkets, depending on where you live. There's 50 in there. You can see the size of them. They're super thin. They're really convenient. You can get them in different sizes. We're going for that size there. You can see it just there. But yeah, get some of those. So you can see we've got our mixture there, which has cooled down now. There's our wraps. And then here, you're going to need some sort of glue. Now what we've got here is 1 tablespoon of flour mixed with half a cup of water. If you want, you can use beaten egg, but I like the flour. So I've got the wrapper in a diamond shape facing me. You got it? Then we're going to get, not a lot, maybe a tablespoon, maybe just under a tablespoon of the filling, which we're going to now use our fingers. Now you put it not in the center, but just slightly nearer to you here. And then you take this and wrap here. You take that side and wrap there. We fold the front over and we try and keep it really nice and tight now. And then we roll. And just at the end, can you see that there? Just use your finger. Get a little bit of the glue on there. roll it in, and there you go. Okay, let's do it again. So diamond shape facing you. We're going to get some of the mixture. I'm going to go for less this time because that was a bit fat, that one. Just about that much. And like I say, don't place it in the center. Place it just slightly nearer to you. And then take the left and right and fold. Take the bottom and fold. And this is where we've got to try and get it nice and tight now. And then glue at the top there, roll it off, job done. And just one more time, diamond shape in front of you, small amount of the filling which you place nearer to you, not in the center. We fold the side, we fold the side, we take the bottom and we flip that over the top there. We try and keep it as compact as we can now, and we roll. We're rolling forward, trying to keep it nice and tight. We're going to get a little bit of glue and then roll it out. Job done, you've done it there. Now listen, let's take a look at these first of all. These ones are a bit tighter. That's the first one that I done, which had more in. So you can do them like that or like that. And I want to tell you a secret now. Chef June is assisting me today and he's brilliant at doing this. So we've got about 50 of these to do. So June, come on man, help me out, will you? You're better than me, you're much faster. There goes Chef June, he's just like 3 times as fast as I am. I'll be here all day. Okay, there you go, done. Now, I have to say I hate it when someone is faster and better than me. Many thanks to Chef June there for helping me out. Okay, just a little note, just for, in case you're interested. I just measured one of those. They're 5 inches square each, but like I say, you can buy different sizes. Right, next up, what we're going to do is we're going to get some oil and we're going to fry them off. Beautiful. Okay, so I've now got a frying pan here and I've got like 2 centimeters of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use canola or corn or something like that. We're getting it hot, but we don't want it crazy hot. So I've not got the flame really, really high. I've just got it on a nice kind of medium heat. So we're not going to crowd the pan. I'm going to just drop them in. Let's just check one out. Let's just see what it's like. Yeah, you want it about there. That's good. Now they're going to take maybe 2 or 3 minutes, but basically, I mean, you could eat them right now if you wanted. Just a nice golden brown. Then fetch them out onto some kitchen paper and they're done and they're absolutely delicious. Like I say, going to do these obviously in a few batches, not going to crowd the pan. Okay, beautiful. So they're crisped up really beautiful. Now look at that. Fantastic. Out they come. There's only like, 2 or 3 minutes really. Absolutely delicious. So these are coming out, and obviously we've got to do loads more. Here we go. And again, don't crowd the pan. Super, super, super. Okay, I'll see you when they're done. Okay, and there you go. They take a little while, especially if you haven't got June around. I tell you, that would take me ages. But they're fabulous, really good. I hope you enjoy that. Now look, I've got a little dipping sauce there. That's really simple. That's just vinegar, like a white vinegar, some chopped chili, garlic, onion, a little bit of salt and pepper. Dip them in there. That's fabulous. Keep safe, keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.